This is a review about series and parallel circuits. So there are two different types of circuits, series circuits and parallel circuits. In a circuit, the components are joined together by wires. If there are no branches in a circuit, it is a series circuit. However, if there is a branch in the circuit, that means it's a parallel circuit, like this one. More specifically, in a series circuit, there are several components that go one after the other. If you follow the circuit diagram from one side of the battery to the other side, you should pass through all of the different components, one after the other, without any branches. This is how a circuit would be drawn with the components and their corresponding symbols. If you put more lamps into a series circuit, the lamps will be dimmer than before. In a series circuit, if a lamp breaks or if a component is disconnected, the circuit is broken and all the components stop working. Here are some important things to know about series circuits. In a series circuit, the voltage levels can decrease depending on how many components are added to the circuit, but the current will always stay the same. These formulas will also be used to help find the answers to certain word problems involving series circuits. In parallel circuits, different components are connected on different branches of the wire. If you follow the circuit diagram from one side of the battery to the other, you can only pass through all of the different components if you follow all of the branches. In a parallel circuit, if a lamp breaks or if a component is disconnected from one parallel wire, the components on the different branches keep working. And unlike a series circuit, the lamps stay bright if you add more lamps in parallel. Parallel circuits are useful if you want everything to work, even if one component has failed. This is why our homes are wired with parallel circuits. Here are some things to know about parallel circuits. Unlike in series circuits, the voltage levels stay the same throughout. However, the current will decrease throughout the branches. These formulas will also be helpful to find the answers to certain word problems involving parallel circuits.